Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Pharma. I give daily job updates in my channel. So if you have come first time in my channel, then please subscribe my channel because I give important notification and important job updates in my channel so that it is easier for you to apply for this job. So please subscribe my channel. So today's job notification is about TCS NQT. You have an idea that TCS NQT have published their notification for hiring their upcoming graduates and also previous year eligible batches for this NQT recruitment process. So the process has been started from 27th of September and the last date of this registration is 17th of October. You can see, so we have in the official website of TCS. So I will discuss all the eligibility criteria in this process and also discuss how to register and how to apply for this job step by step in this video. So don't skip this video, watch the video till end because I will show you step by step how to register for this exam, how to apply for this job. So stay tuned with me. Let's start this video. So you can see their notification that registrations are open for TCS off campus hiring YOP 2021. They have started it. So at first you need to register in their website for the national qualifier test website, then you need to select the subject test option. Then step 2 is you need to navigate to the TCS next step portal and through the next step portal you need to apply for this job. So what you need to do, because this is a online examination and online registration also going on, so you just need to create your CT or DT reference ID for for applying the post, because it is the main ID by using which you can log in and check your application status, as well as you can download your admit also for the examination. So what you need to do, just first click on register now, then you need to choose IT, then you need to apply for the drive from the page of TCS next step portal. So the step 1 is the to generate your registration number in the registration page. Okay, so I will show you that thing. So let's jump into that section. You need to click to register. So you can see the registration end date is 17th of October and the qualifier test date is 24th, 25th and 26th of October 2020. So these 3 days has been declared for taking the examination of this TCS NQT. So you need to click on register here. After clicking on register here, it will be redirect to the registration page for the national qualifier test, which is organized by TCS ION. So you can see from there I will create the registration link. I will give you the step by step approach, so you can check this. I will give this link in my description box so that you can directly access from it there. So at first you need to click on register now. So after clicking on register now, you can see one pop-up window is coming. So you need to create your account because you are new to TCS NQT exam. If you are already registered, then you just need to log in here. So I am creating account for showing you how to register for this process. And so you need to give it here your full name. Then you need to give it here the email address. Then a password. Then you need to confirm your password. Then you need to give it your phone number. Okay, So after giving your phone number, you just need to validate your number. Then our OTP will come in your phone. Then you just need to put the OTP there. So after clicking on validate OTP is verified, you can see. So if you are not a minor candidate, then no will be default selected. Then you need to fill the captcha here. So I am also doing the same. So I need to agree the terms of conditions for their website. So I just need to read and agree this thing. Just scroll this privacy notice, because until you scroll you can't click on OK to it. You need to check the privacy policy as well. First one is the privacy notice. For each and every tab you need to go through this once again, and you just need to select this I did and agreed, understood the privacy policy, this tick mark. Okay, then for terms and condition also you need to do the same thing. So after clicking on I have read and agreed, understood, so I need to click on OK. Then I am creating my account. So in my email address, so you can save it in your Google Sync Up account. So you can see this is the welcome screen after register. So from here I can directly apply for this job. I will show you how to do this thing. Yeah, so after selecting the step you need to click on continue. Then you register to this thing. Okay, so you can see your registration has been done. Okay, so now after clicking on registration, when the registration is completed, then you need to register for the national qualifier test. At first you need to fill up your account details like personal details, name, email address, date of birth, all the things you need to do. So I will show you all the details. You can just go through it and do the step by step thing, because it is easier for you. I'm just showing you. Okay, so your residing state, then your residing city, then the number is already given, so you need to fill on your educational qualification details. So one more thing you can see here, BSc, BTech, all can apply. BTech, mainly BTech 2021 batch is the target, but also the previous batch can apply for this thing. So you need to select your stream, you need to select your graduation month, so you just need to give your institute name by clicking on search here. After that you need to choose your institute city. At first you need to select your state, then the city. So Then I will click on search. So you can see my college name has already appeared here. So which type of examination I am preferring? So there are two kinds of examination preference are given by TCS in this year. One is online, remotely they will control it. Another one is in center. So if you doing it online, then you need to click on online, or if you want to go to the center, then you need to click on in center. So one more thing they are mentioning for online purpose, they will remotely control it, and you need to ensure that following system requirement you have, like you need to have Windows or Ubuntu as a OS, and Google Chrome browser must be there, minimum 2 Mbps internet connectivity they are asking, working webcam also. So if you have all of these things in your home, then you can apply for online examination. Or if you have less of these requirements, if you are not fulfilling these requirements, then just you need to click on in center. After clicking on in center, you need to give your state preference, then you need to give it your city preference. They will give the exam location for you. So as of now I'm selecting as online mode of examination. So here you need to upload your photograph. Okay, so after uploading your photograph, so this is the subject NQT test. Okay, so if you are from information technology, then you need to choose the programming as a test name, and duration will be 1 hour. So you just give it the captcha here. So after you need to click on I understand all the corporate details, upload your photograph, then you need to submit your registration form. So I will show you just one image I want to upload for you. Just a random image I am showing you, because I will not be giving this examination, I just helping you to apply for this job. Okay, so after uploading your photograph, you just need to click on submit. Okay, once again I need to generate the OTP, because here I need to give the captcha field, then I need to give it submit button, then I need to give the OTP, which I have received in my phone. After giving your phone number, you will be receiving the OTP in your mobile phone. Okay, so you just need to click on submit. So you can see that your application has been submitted successfully. You will receive an login credential for online remotely examination hall ticket, and the mail ID I have given, I will receive 2 days prior date of exam. Okay, so that is the thing. Your application here, so that is the thing. From there you can edit your application later. If you have submitted wrong thing there, then you can edit your application. Yeah, one more thing, here you can see the same sample test is given. So after preparing, then you can take the sample test, because in that sample test they will give the proper format of questions, so you will get an idea that how the question will come in your examination. So that's it, my friend. This is the step-by-step approach to you. If you like this, please subscribe my channel and press the like symbol, because I have shown you all the details in this video how to apply for this TCS NQT examination. So that's it, my friend. Thank you. We will meet in next video. Take care, guys, and all the best.